Clay and Coco with EKnives.com. We are here to talk about a little something different today.
We have some new technology on our website.
New processes.
Working through it. It's always a work in progress here.
So good though.
But we're trying to make it easy on customers. This is our new returns and claims process. So previously you would have to call or text us or email and say, hey, I want to return this knife or return this pen or whatever. And we would have to give you an RA number, and then you would have to go to the post office or go to UPS and get your label and do this whole thing.
Or you could do it online, but you would have to wait for us to go in and manually approve that it was accepted or denied.
There was no quick and easy way to do this. Like, it was very
tedious and clunky.
Yeah, and just kind of
old school.
Yeah, like
Jurassic.
That's
historic.
The word. Yeah. Whereas, in this world of Amazon, everything is point, click, you get your label and you're done. We have tried to make it that easy for you, and that's what we're doing. So our new returns and claims portal at the bottom of our website, click the return button. You will punch in your email or your zip code, and then your order number or your tracking number, either one. That will pull up your order, and then you will be able to choose what you want to do. Do you want to return it? Do you have a claim? You can file a claim if it's damaged or it's missing, something like that. If you need to return a knife, you can click the return option. It will give you options like store credit, return, or exchange.
And let's talk about that.
The exchange is amazing. We've gotten some good feedback on it.
Yeah. So the really cool thing about exchanges is now you don't have to call us and say, oh, I want to do an exchange. And we say, well, we're just going to give you store credit because it's too much to keep up with. Now, if you go in and you want to do an exchange, let's say you order this knife in blue and you decide you want it in red. When you go in to do a return, you can choose exchange, and it will actually pop up our page and you can reshop for whatever product you want to exchange it for. You'll click what you want. If there's a price difference in it, then it'll walk you through and you can go ahead and pay for it right then. What happens there is that knife that you chose to exchange will actually come out of stock with us, so it cannot be sold. So we're gonna hold it. Once you go and you either ship the knife back via the return label that our system will automatically send you.
There's a checkbox on your checkout process that says $298, free returns and package protection. That's what that means. Your package is insured. You will print the label off, like she was just saying.
And it won't cost you anything else.
It won't cost you anything.
Other than that $298.
As soon as that label gets scanned, we can ship your exchange knife that you've already either had to pay for, or if it's an even exchange, you've already selected it. It's in the holding pattern in our system, ready to go.
Yeah, so
no more waiting. You do everything right there in your home or office.
So as soon as UPS, FedEx, USPS, whichever label you choose, that again has been prepaid. And side note, let's say you choose not to do the $298 at checkout, you can still do returns and exchanges. You just will pay for a label, and the label is still a very discounted rate. I want to say roughly $7-8, so much cheaper than you going and shipping it yourself, but we'll still send you that. But as soon as that package carrier takes and scans your package, it'll come through to us that your exchange is ready to ship out. And so we will ship it out as soon as we get that.
So like Amazon, we're making this much quicker so that you can get your exchange faster.
Store credit will come to you immediately. So store credit works the same way as an exchange. So let's say you don't know what you want to exchange it for, you don't know what you want to shop for, but you want to keep that money in store credit. As soon as that package is scanned, then your store credit will go into your account. The only time you will have to wait for your money to go back into your account is if you are doing a full refund. When that knife returns all the way back to us, we open it up, check it out, that is when you will be issued a refund. But if you choose exchange or store credit, you'll get that sent out as soon as you send that one back.
This whole process is 14 days. So you have 14 days from the day your knife is delivered to submit a return. Also, with the refund process, Sezzle and Afterpay is still a 6% fee. We don't like charging that, but we don't have a choice because they charge it to us. So we are passing on only the fee that they charge us. This is not a fee that we just want to give to you guys. So the 6% is just standard across the board. Every dealer has to pay that when a refund comes through with both of these. But if you choose store credit in this option, which we highly recommend, you don't lose that 6%. How does that work? You keep paying Sezzle or Afterpay every 2 weeks like you would normally do. It's just that you're changing knives. You're going to get something else, or leave it in store credit and buy something later. However you want to do it. Store credit doesn't expire. It's there forever. So it's just a way for you to avoid having having to pay the 6% fee, which we highly recommend if you want to do that. But we have no choice on the fee.
We have had such great feedback. So many customers saying, you know, you guys are really making it easy on us. The other great part is a lot of you guys, maybe you don't always check out under your account. Maybe it's a drop where you don't have time to log into your account, or maybe you just choose to check out as a guest. Previously, we would have to go back in, edit your account, tie your order to an account because you couldn't do a return without having an account, which was such a pain. So now you can check out as a guest if you want and still go through the return process.
Yeah, we're trying to make it easy as possible for you guys. It is a work in progress, so if there are a few things that happen, let us know, but we're always trying to play with it and make it better. But we've gotten a ton of great feedback on this, and we're trying to make it easy on you and us, because the last thing we want is friction. You know, when you get something and it's just not what you expected, you want to be able to return it. That's what Amazon is known for. That they make it super easy. We're just trying to be more like that for you guys.
Again, the cool thing is that label is going to be sent directly to you. Let's say you don't have a printer. You can also, just like with Amazon, there's a QR code that gets sent. So you can also take that to USPS, UPS, FedEx, wherever you're choosing to send it back to, and they can actually scan that QR code and your label will get printed out there. There's also an option that you have to pay for, but it's not that much more. Let's say you don't want to leave your house. You don't want to go and drop.
Leave your house.
Yeah, and you don't want to go and drop your knife off, your package off somewhere. You can actually have the carrier come to your house and they'll pick it up for you and ship it out. So lots of great options. We want everything instantly. We want everything easy. Everyone's busy. We don't have time to drop off packages. Trying to make it as easy as
and nobody wants to call a company and be like, hey, I need a return label, or we don't want to answer the phone call about the return or the email about the exchange. We want you to be able to do all of that from the comfort of your home, and then we don't hold you up. It just makes it easier for both of us. So that's what we're trying to do.
We're excited about this. This has been a really great process that we have added in, and we hope that you guys are excited about it as we are.
If you have any issues, let us know. We're always tweaking it, trying to make it a little better.
Give us some feedback. We'd love to hear.
And we have other things that we're working on this year too for you guys online. We're trying to make the whole buying process from start to finish seamless, because we want you to keep shopping with us. We want you to stay with us. So.
Stay with us. We're excited to have you here.
We are. Ecstatic. Excellence is what we're going for here.
So we hope you love the new system. Let us know if you've used it. Let us know your thoughts. If you ever have any feedback for us on any processes, anything that's going on, we're always here to listen. So
yeah, we take feedback very seriously and very positively. We want the buying process for our customers and the return process to be flawless. So we're working on that all the time. So yeah, please let us know. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions, reach out. You can email, call, or text. We're here all the time.
Or you can email support@eknives.com. That's support@eknives.com.
All right, guys. Thanks so much. And as always,
have a nice day.